Two people are better off than one, for they can help each other succeed. Ecclesiastes 4 verse 9. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I installed this HD closure wig from Hurela Hair, then please carry on watching. Hurela Hair, so they sent me this wig, and in the box you have all these goodies. And this is the wig. I think it's a HD lace 4x4 or 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It claims to be 26 inches. The parting space is really nice. I'm gonna bleach the knots and come back and show you guys how it looks. So first I'm gonna take my heat protector by Lee Stafford. This is the Coco Loco heat protective mist, and I'm just gonna spray that all over the hair. Then I'm gonna blow dry the hair just so everything is nice and flowy. Then I'm going to take my John Frieda Frizz Ease serum, apply that to all of the hair, and then I'm going to begin the straightening process. Just going to go in with my hot comb to just try and get it somewhat flat before I install it, and then I will hot comb again. So now that the wig is on my head, I actually lost the footage of me placing it on my head, but I placed it on my head and then I cut out some edges, and as you can see I'm just using some mousse to just tame the edges and slick it down. I didn't use any got2b spray or anything. This is just the lace. I've cut it and then I've added the edges. Then I'm going to take my wax stick and just hot comb the hair into place. So I've been using brow gel to fix my over bleached knots, and I feel like that is so easy to use because it's a little wand and it's just easier to apply. And then I'm gonna take my concealer down my parts. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, and this hair is amazing. The lace is, this hair is absolutely amazing. I don't really have any cons. I've worked with Hurela hair before with my burgundy wig, if you're familiar with that wig, my burgundy wig, and this is my first time doing a closure wig with them, and I am not disappointed at all. Their hair quality, oof, I think this is 24 or 26 inches. I think it's 26 inches and it is quite long. The density I feel like is spot on because it's very lightweight. Like, I don't feel like there's anything on my head. It's so lightweight. The lace blended really nicely into my skin. I didn't add any glue or got to be or anything like that. Literally just put mousse. The parting space of the actual closure is perfect. Like, it goes all the way back. The only thing I would say about the hair is that there's a lot of like white or thread. There's a lot of thread in the hair or white strands that I had to keep pulling out because it was a lot. Like, I had to just keep pulling out. I was thinking, why is there so many white strands? But besides that, this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, I have nothing apart from that con. That's the only thing that was an issue. The knots bleached really nicely. Plucking it was also very easy. I might give this wig a blunt cut because I want to have something different. I still want to maintain the length but give it like a chop. This is how far it goes on me. It goes all the way down to my hips. I'm 5'9" and goes all the way to the top of my bum. The hair is very nice. The density is literally perfect. Like, any thicker would have been too much, but this is spot on. Like I said, it's very lightweight. I don't feel like there's anything on my head. And yeah, this was so easy to do. If you're someone that likes the look of frontals but you don't want to get a frontal, you can just make a mini frontal with your closure. I would recommend HD lace because it blends into the skin really nicely. Like, you can see, I can literally just pop this on and off. Let me show you. Literally, all the details on this wig will be in the description box down below, and all the products that I use will be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.